Welcome back. State political parties have welcomed the decision to bring all the political parties under RTI. Many of national political parties have opposed the decision, but state leaders have supported the move in spite of their national leaders opposing it.
खरं म्हणजे आम्ही ते RTIच काढून उडोवंक जाय आणि एवरीथिंग शूड बी put in public domain. I don't understand why anything can be secret except security and investigation. RTI information activists take information and give it selectively. I have seen it happening in Goa. Give it selectively. So that is why I am of a opinion that everything should be in public domain. That means anyone can go to that file and check up on online or something like that. So we have to move towards that. So what RTI's Central Commission has given, there is no problem, because the political party is in public domain. It is a party of the public. Why should you be worried about giving information? Misuse of RTI should also stop.
Indian National Congress तो गोवा युनिट जो आसा आमकां काय प्रॉब्लेम ना म्हाका दिसना पार्टीक आमची काय प्रॉब्लेम आसा अशें दिसना म्हाका.
ओके
हय
तुम्ही डिसिजन वेलकम करताय.
हय नो प्रॉब्लेम. पूण तरी आसतना हायकमांड वयर जे थारायता
हां
ते आमकां बंधनकारक आसता.
असो असले म्हणून काय गैर काय ना. आमचो हिशोब प्रत्येक पॉलिटिकल पार्टीन ह्या फुडें हिशोब सारको दवरूंक जाय आनी म्हाका दिसता पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हिशोब सारको दवरता. RTI आतां सगळी कडेन जालां न्ही. ती एक मोठी बरी नवी लोकशाही पद्दत म्हणून केल्या. त्या लोकशाही पद्दतीत लोकशाही पद्दतीत अशें तर राजकीय पक्षाक घातले तर तो गैर कांय जावचें ना. फरक कांयच पडचो ना. कांय फरक पडचो ना. कारण पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हरशी ओपनूच आसा सगळ्यो. सगळ्याक खबरूच आसता कितें चलता काय चलता हिशोब आसता डोनेशनां येता.
आय वेलकम द डिसिजन आनी ते ट्रान्सपरन्सी मेंटेन जावपाक ते बरें डिसिजन आनी येवंक जाय. कारण जर मिनिस्टर जाता आनी तांकां ते लागता जाल्यार वाय नॉट फॉर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ऑल्सो.
सी म्हजें म्हणणें कितें आहा बाबा, सी RTI एक्ट ते सगळ्यांक ट्रान्सपरन्सी दाखयता आनी ट्रान्सपरन्सी दाखयले उपरांत आमकांय म्हाका दिसता बाबा लोकांकूय हाल्या आमी तर हितू सरकारान आसत आमकांय लोकांकूय दाखोवपाक मेळटलें बाबा आमी ट्रान्सपरंट सरकार. इट्स गुड नो फॉर हॅविंग ट्रान्सपरन्सी. सो आय एम सपोर्टिंग.
Talsanzor occupants have sought for more time to produce documents and filing affidavits. 33 Talsanzor occupants marked their presence for personal hearing before the administrator of Comunidad in Margao on Tuesday. The next hearing is scheduled on 10th of June. Hearing for 105 occupants of Moti Dongar is scheduled on Wednesday at South Goa Administrator of Comunidad's office. 252 occupants at Moti Dongar are currently facing Comunidad's eviction notices.
Administrator of Comunidad had served eviction notices to total 252 alleged illegal occupants on Moti Dongar. Administrator had given them time till May end to proceed legal documents to avoid eviction. Around 33 Talsanzor occupants were present for the personal hearing on Tuesday at Margao, out of 39 occupants who filed replies with the administrator. 33 occupants marked their presence along with their advocate. 4 occupants did not appear. They have neither replied to the show cause notices nor appeared before the administrator. Administrator of Comunidad, Sangeeta Naik, informed that the advocate of the occupants have sought a week's time to file the replies.
In the cases where the advocate has represented, that is 33 cases, they have taken time of 7 days, that is till 10th of June. 10th of June 10 AM is the next hearing for them, since they require time to produce the documents which they want to rely on in support of their case, and the opportunity has been given to them.
Advocate Silviano Estobero said they had come to seek extend time to produce documents and file affidavits.
We have already asked for time for personal hearing on some days, so she has given us on 10th. So it is fixed for on 10th for personal hearing. So on that we will be filing our affidavit in reply and we will be producing all our documents to her. And on that day she will decide the application.
Hearing for 105 occupants for Moti Dongar is scheduled for Wednesday. Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
After the expose on wholesaler liquor sellers, Excise Department is taken aback but not ready to act forthrightly. They say we cannot keep an eye on wholesale liquor shops 24/7, but if any complaint is received, we initiate action. Prudent had exposed how the wine shop and wholesalers in Warpur illegally open the sealed bottles and serve their customers, that too within the premises.
तूं सांगता तशें आसूंक शकता पूण 24 hours विजील दवरपाक आमचे कडेन जायना पूण जे कंप्लेन आमकां हुसर येयल्या इमिडिएटली आमी एटेंड करता आतां आमी कितें केलां फ्लायंग स्क्वॉड्स केला आसता आमचो 24 hours विजील कित्याक दिसाचे आमचे ऑफिसर आसता आनी रातचे आमचे स्क्वॉड आसता सो तुजे जर कितें स्पेसिफीक कंप्लेन आहा आमकां तूं आमकां सांगून दी आमी ते स्क्वॉड धाडून इमिडिएटली ते इलिगॅलिटी आहा जाल्यार ते बंद करतले.
Excise Commissioner D'Souza says if any wholesaler is found repeating the offence, then his license is suspended.
आनी जो तो रिपीटेड ऑफेंडर आहा सांगला आसतना आदी तेका फायन मारलेले आहा परत 2-3 फावट जाल्यार आमी लायसन्स सस्पेंड करतले.
Prudent on Monday had exposed how wine shops and wholesalers are illegally opening the sealed bottles, serving snacks and cigarettes within the premises in Walpai, the illegal trade that local excise officials pretend to be unaware of. This special service by the wine shops and wholesalers is costing the bar owners in the locality dearly. However, aggrieved bar owners says authorities turn a blind eye to this trade. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Panji Municipal Market scam has taken a new turn. Inquiry Officer N.D. Agarwal has asked the CCP to submit the report prepared by CCP Commissioner on an alleged market scam. Agarwal says report claims that 95% shops are illegal. Agarwal has also sought a copy of the decision of the CCP to regularize the actual occupants.
Blame game is on in the inquiry episode on the alleged illegalities at Panji Municipal Market. CCP blames N.D. Agarwal for delaying report on alleged market scam. Mayor Surendra Furtado claims that inquiry officer had never approached him with regard to the market scam probe. Now, N.D. Agarwal has sought a copy of the report by the CCP's commissioner and decision of the corporation to regularize the actual occupants. Meanwhile, Mayor Surendra Furtado has issued note to the commissioner asking him to issue stop order to GSIDC and Captain of Ports to stop construction of the jetty.
The Captain of Ports has blocked major part of the road beside piling debris and other construction material on the road. This is inconveniencing the traffic and the pedestrians passing through the said road. As per the ODB approved in the jurisdiction of CCP, ports and jetties are covered in the jurisdiction of the CCP. Commissioner is therefore requested to issue a stoppage order in respect of the said construction activities carried out by the Captain of Ports without our permission as required under Section 264 and 265 of the City of Panji Corporation Act 2002 urgently. We are not against the construction. Let GSIDC send their plans to us. Our technical department will go to it. If everything is as per the plans, then they will have to pay the construction license fees to the CCP. If as claimed by GSIDC and the Captain of Ports that they have taken permission from all other agencies, government agencies, then I would like to ask the Captain of Ports and the MD GSIDC why they have not taken permission from CCP.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Shashank Pearl for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.